Well, I'm trying to find a nice crab spot, and I'm trying to talk myself out of doing this. I'm gonna oh man, I hope I don't lose my drone. This is really risky. Putting it all on the line for the Fpv Noobtube crab spot. Hashtag crab spot. Check out the Fpv Noobtube on Facebook, and they have a YouTube channel. Check them out. So the challenge is we're going to fly somewhere where you typically wouldn't fly, someplace that's just complete and utter crap, and try to make it interesting and make it fun. This spot is interesting, however, it is definitely a crap spot. Because if you land out here, your drone is gone. You're not going to be able to retrieve it. So I'm risking it all to try to get some awesome footage. I got birds flying up here that could possibly prevent some issues. I got trees out here that I could possibly crash into and lose the quad. You can see out here, it is not nice. It is not pleasant. It's like a marsh. There's tons of water out here. If I lose my drone out here, it's gone. It's done. So I'm trying to talk myself out of this, but at the same time, I know if I can fly it and do it right, this is going to be an epic hashtag crap spot. So what we're flying today is my TBS Source 1 freestyle build with the GoPro Session 4. This is running 2207 RCX motors, Maytech F405 flight controller. We got some DYS ESCs, and we're running a China Hobbyline 1300 milliamp 100C. And I've got this thing set up pretty much the way I like. Dowprop Cyclone 5045s. That's what we're running today at the hashtag crap spot.
You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting in the open breeze. Suddenly, the wind blows you away from me. Now I see we were never meant to be. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, dancing till the dawn. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, we're dancing till the dawn.
We made it back, baby. I just got done that flight. My hands are still shaking. I was terrified I was going to lose my quad, but man, at the same time, I was looking at my screen. I'm like, man, this is going to be some excellent looking footage at this crap spot. But man, shoo, did I put it all on the line the whole time. I'm thinking one false move, one miscalculation and throttle response, and my drone's going down, and it's done. It's gone, GoPro and all. So I'm crazy. It was stupid, but at the same time, man, was it a rush, a straight up adrenaline rush from start to finish. From the time I took off, from the time I landed, my hands were shaking. So yes, thank you so much, Fpv Noobtube, for putting this challenge out there. I hope I did the best I possibly could for the guidelines you set up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, edrone out.